Okay, this is Isaac. And he is on his playmat. And he's very happy today. Look how good he's doing on his playmat. Hi there. Hi there. How you doing today? You doing alright? Look at you hold your head up. Look at you hold your head up like that. Hi. Why don't you crawl towards me? Crawl towards Daddy. Can you do that yet? Oh. He's starting to get the hang of it. Yeah. The big boy you're getting. You ain't so big. Yeah. Mommy's at work today. And we're just spending the day together. The whole weekend. Yeah. Yeah. Look at you. You're doing such a good job holding your head up like that. Okay. Don't roll over. You getting tired? You getting tired of it? See, he kind of scoots. He kind of kicks his legs back. Scoots. Hi. Come here. Come here. Come here. Scoot towards me. Oh, good boy. You almost got it. Okay. You got the hang of it? You got the hang of it. You'll be crawling before too long. Yeah. Okay. Give me a big smile. Give me a big smile. Okay. Okay, you done? Are you done?